Daddy Tech's doing some video in here on another one of my repairs here. It's a 96 Astro van. He bought it. Guy bought it. He buys cars and fixes them up. He bought this from a check cashing place or a payday loan. It was a repo, and they thought it had a bad timing chain. This is how I got it. Half apart. Always hate that, but that's just more money for me. But one thing I have learned in my 20+ years of working on cars is, unless Richard Petty or Smokey Unick himself tells me that the timing chain's bad, I'm going to check myself. And near as we can tell, I'm not thinking the timing chain is bad, because we got it rolled up here on number 1. I don't know if you can see the mark here. These 4.3 liter V6s have 2 timing marks. This is the second one, which is top dead center, lining up to that notch in the cover right there. And then there's another one down yonder a little ways. It's 10 degrees early. And we've rolled it around clockwise, and the distributor rotor is pointing just past the number 1 pole in the distributor, which is right, because your distributor always fires, you know, what do these things run, like 20-30 degrees advanced timing or whatever. Of course, it's all set by the ECM, but you still got your core base timing. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to roll the crankshaft backwards, because we've turned it clockwise, taking up all the slack out of the timing chain, and now we're going to roll it back till we see the rotor button move. And in having done that, it was way less than 10 degrees. I don't have the distributor cap off right now, or we'd do it, but that'd take too long on your video, because these are a bitch to get off. But anyway, for all intents and purposes, you know, I didn't see enough slack in the timing chain to give me any cause for concern. If there is slack, obviously, it's an old engine with a lot of miles on it, but not enough to worry about, and it hasn't, I don't believe it's jump time, because we're doing a spark plug test, you know, that's right at top dead center.
Is that when it popped out?
Yeah. So I do not believe that the timing chain is bad. It's got 60+ pounds of fuel pressure, so that's good. It has spark going to all the cylinders, so we're just going to have to figure out what's going on with it. So, till next time, we'll know more.